Hi there and welcome to SD Affiliate TV. In today's video, I'll briefly go over affiliate marketing and how you can uncover some fantastic opportunities to explore. If you're looking to make money online, affiliate marketing might just be the perfect fit for you. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Let's start with the questions that I had when I first started. Question 1. How can you find lucrative opportunities in the world of affiliate marketing? One way is to do thorough research and find products or services that are in high demand. Look for products that solve a problem or fulfill a need in the market. The more people who are interested in what you're promoting, the higher your chances of making a significant income. Another way to find lucrative opportunities is by joining affiliate networks. These platforms connect you with companies looking for affiliates to promote their products. Sites like jvzoo.com, clickbank.com, CJ Affiliate, Share a Sale are examples of affiliate networks. Question 2. Are there any essential tools or software programs that can streamline my affiliate marketing efforts? Yes, there are several tools that can help you improve your efficiency and enhance your chances of success. A few of those tools you should consider using are: the specific tools you choose will depend on your affiliate marketing strategy, budget, and goals. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more valuable insights and tips on affiliate marketing. Until next time, happy earning!